What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It is a windy day, you guys. Let me get in the door so it sounds a little better. I can't wait to see what's new today.
What's this, TJ? What?
All right, you guys, the weekly wow are these shirts right here. Gildan shirts, Gildan soft style, ultra cotton. We have Anvil lightweight, Gildan heavy cotton. We also have some dry fit shirts. These are Gildan performance and these are dry fit. And then we have this green. This is Gildan performance. So basically workout shirts. And then we have Anvil lightweight, and we have Gildan, and this is a soft style. So that's the weekly wow for the week. $1.25 shirts. And then we have these cute vases that are new. Super cute. And the swans are new. Let's take a little stroll this way. All the little tumblers, summer vibes, tropical vibes, birds. I really love when these come out each year. The super cute watermelon plates and the matching watermelon napkins. I just wanted to see if they added anything over here. These are kind of cute. They're calling them wood bead garlands. Cute little wood bead garlands. We have the wheel. Ooh, I love this one the best. The little anchors. And we have the boats. The sand and me. Take me to the ocean. These are new this week. The anchor metal wreath forms. Definitely new, and they're really big. And then we have this huge display of solar stake lights. Oh, I need to get one of these. Yes, I need to get one of these for the year. I have to get one every year. Oh, I think there might be even one in the pack. Is there? Oh no. There aren't any in the pack. Lots of items for gardening. All things grow with love. We've seen these in past weeks, but I feel like they just got a huge stock of them. This is a new little display. And then all the graduation items. Congrats grad 2022. We have best teacher ever. Let's go to the makeup, you guys. Let's go. Ooh, the Sally Hansen polishes are finally at my store, you guys. We had yellow, we have this bright orange, green, blue, and sort of peachy cantaloupe color. They're finally here. I was wondering when I would see them. These showed up last week. Ooh, what's this? Prime Wear long wearing lip cream. And then we have Femme Couture. Femme Couture is the brand. I think this is new this week. The Femme Couture Get Corrected CC Cream. Definitely a new Dollar Tree brand, Femme Couture. All of these showed up last week. All of these Kala silicone makeup sponges. We have a couple different shapes. And then also last week, a lot of the new B-Color nails showed up. Some are oval shaped and some are stiletto shaped. More stiletto. The Dippin' Dots. 10 gummies in a pack. Earbuds with a case. Ooh, look at the facial brush. This looks super cozy. Like, I want to do that. The handle is really nice to hold. Ooh. Yeah. Maybe I'll get one of these for Birdy. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have skin tone Band-Aids. My husband was just complaining about that the other day. He had 2 Band-Aids on and he was just complaining about how they looked. So we have 3 different shades. We have this one. We have this one. And we have this one. So these are the 3 new Band-Aids that we have. And again, these are skin tone Band-Aids and they're all fabric Band-Aids. Those are really good for summer. And then these are back in stock too. The 110 bonus pack, you guys, of plastic Band-Aids. These are amazing Band-Aids. These are amazing. These are fabric Band-Aids and they stay on really well, especially if you need something to stay on in the pool. I wonder if these are like true to the picture, because I would definitely like to get some of these for my family. Oh, these are new, you guys. A reversible tough wrap. Durable hold, designed to stick to itself, not to your skin. 2 different colors. I decided on the Band-Aids, and I think we're getting to the end of this video. But I'm definitely gonna start over here in the very next video. It looks stocked really, really well. It's stocked super high. This would be a perfect aisle for me to start on in the very next video. So make sure you guys come right back and see what's new. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Bye, guys.